want a completely customizable, perfect, smooth, melt in your mouth homemade ice cream using 2 ingredients only? You are at the right place, so let's jump into it. Place 2 cups of heavy whipping cream in a bowl. Using a hand whisk or a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, whip the cold cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks form. Turn off the machine and pour the cold condensed milk into the whipping cream. Turn the speed up to high and whisk until the mixture is thick and stiff peaks form. Turn off the machine and stir in the vanilla extract, which is optional, but I highly recommend. Now you have your ice cream base, you can add in your desired flavors and fixing. Go nuts! Experiment with your own flavors and enjoy creating something that is all you. Generally, the rule of thumb is to use 2 cups of ice cream base and add mix-ins to create your flavor. I will leave in the description box many of my favorite homemade ice cream recipes, including my cookie dough dynamo recipe and my favorite Oreo homemade ice cream recipe. Once you finish creating your flavors, transfer your ice cream mixture to an airtight container. A pro tip is to cover your airtight container with a silk paper. That will absorb the excess of moisture and create crystals into your ice cream. Freeze your container for a minimum of 6 hours, but the preferred amount of time is overnight. You can keep stored your 2-ingredient ice cream recipe in your freezer up to 6 weeks. Enjoy your kosher ice cream recipe made with simply 2 ingredients. And of course, I will encourage you to watch these 2 videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.